we are diving into the heart of our homes, the kitchen. It's a place where delicious meals are created, but sometimes we tend to accumulate unnecessary things that clutter the space. So in today's video, we'll be talking about 5 things your kitchen doesn't need. Raise your hand if your fridge looks like a bulletin board. It's easy to turn the front of the fridge into a collection of magnets, notes, and pictures. However, it can make your kitchen look messy and disorganized. Let's clear that space and find alternative ways to display those memories. Now, take a look at your kitchen linens. Are they starting to look tired and worn out? It's time to let go. Old dish towels and worn-out oven mitts not only look unsightly, but can also be less effective. Treat yourself to some new, fresh linens that will make your kitchen feel more inviting. How many times have you discovered expired items hiding in the back of your pantry? It's a common issue. Take some time to declutter your pantry by getting rid of expired items and things you no longer use. Simplify your ingredients and make space for the items you truly need. Do you have a collection of pots and pans you rarely use? It's time to downsize. Keep the essentials and donate or repurpose the rest. A clutter-free cabinet makes it easier to find what you need and keeps your cooking space more efficient. While a touch of decor can add charm to your kitchen, too much can make it look crowded. Assess your kitchen decor and keep only the pieces that bring you joy or have a functional purpose. Less is often more when it comes to decorating your kitchen. And there you have it, 5 things your kitchen doesn't need. By decluttering these items, you create a more organized and inviting space for your culinary adventures. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more decluttering and organization tips.